Hello everyone, this is Vatsal and you are watching Explore with Shubh YouTube channel. So today in this video I will show you how you can get your own custom YouTube URL. So there are some conditions for you to get custom URL. So first condition is that your channel must have 100 subscribers, and second is that your channel must be 1 month old. So today I am going to show you how you can get your custom URL. So go on your Chrome, click on YouTube, now click at your symbol or ID. Now you can see an option of setting here. Click on setting, click on view advanced setting, and now from here you can see your custom URL option. Click on this and YouTube click on I have read and agreed to the custom URL and click on change URL. Then click on confirm URL and now you have your custom URL for your YouTube channel. So if you are going here to a new tab and typing here www.youtube.com/c/ so you can see my channel will automatically come and I don't have to get that old URL. So here you can see. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel and like this video and comment down below. Thanks for watching.
गाड़ी पर जूस गिरा था और मैं दोबारा नहाने गई थी। तुम चने कुकर में चढ़ाकर मेरे पास आई थी, तब रसोड़े में कौन था? हाँ, कौन था?